Welcome everyone to Cook Plant and Decor channel. Let's get some inspiration today. That is my day off at home after a long day working yesterday at my dialysis clinic. I will be cleaning our family room where the family spend a lot of time together. And because I don't have a formal living room, I also receive here my friends and some visitors. So I like to keep it clean and organized. And this is kind of challenge having a little boy running around. Let's try to create a space that is inviting and functional at the same time for the family. So when my family come back from work or school, they're gonna feel like ready to be sitting here with me and have some good conversation together. I want to start in this corner where a lot of the cables are on the floor. I'm gonna make a little jungle so that will be hiding the cable, but at the same time, it will look fresh and inviting. And how you can see, I'm using my plants for that purpose. House plants, they do better when they are together. And of course, in this area that didn't have anything than cables, now will be an area where we can recreate our eyes. I think this is a good idea when we have a little corner in our house that we are not sure what to put there. Plants will help you with that. And a mirror is a perfect companion for the plants. Until I find the perfect tray to go on top of my ottoman, I will be using my mirror. So far it's working for the purpose and it's looking okay and has been safe. Have some plastic on the bottom. I'm placing my geranium plant and this metal leaf. It's a simple decoration but it's looking cute. And this book, Home from Joanna Gaines, I'm going to be using one of the pages to place it under the TV. I just want to mention to you, my friends, that all the plants that I'm using today, they are real. They are my indoor plants. They are beautiful, of course. They are styling our house, but also they are purifying the air. It's a very important function they have for us. Okay, now I want to bring this corner to life, adding an accent table and some decorations, starting for this lamp that I saw up there in my guest room, and I thought it's perfect for this area. I will be adding some masculine touch. This Cuban tobacco box, I got it from my husband's hands when he was ready to get rid of it because it's empty, but it still smells amazing and it's looking new. So I'm gonna use it for decoration.
So high, they coming down. Don't you wanna go? Don't you wanna go?
Now in this area we don't usually place any furniture, but I think it's a good spot to add some seating, add another plant, and make it cozy and have some good conversations with family and friends. And here for my side table, I'm gonna be using my white climatic that I used last year for my dining room decoration. They still look like new and they look beautiful here in my family room. For my couch, I am placing neutral pillow colors. That way, the main decor will continue to be the plants. For the wine bar, I will be adding a touch of color, starting with the blue base and the blue hydrangeas. Also adding a plant that will be the angel leaf plants and a family picture. And that's it. Our family room is ready, in my opinion, to be enjoyed. What do you think? Remember, this is not a complete makeover, but yes, it's a refreshment of our family room, using my interior plants and making a regular everyday use room more inviting. Let me know if you like this video. If yes, give me a thumbs up so I will see you there. And if you are visiting me today, thank you for being here, and you have my friendly invitation to subscribe to my channel and be part of the Cook Plant and Decor family. And if you have any question or any suggestion, I would love to hear from you. And remember, cook, plant, and decor, and be happy. For now, bye bye. See you in my next video.
Heart so high, they coming down. Don't you wanna go? Don't you wanna go?